Free AI video on your PC? This is the Wan 2.2 guide for ComfyUI. Text to video, image to video, fully open source, and it all runs on your own computer. Let's make your first clip.
Wan 2.2 is an open-source video model from Alibaba. It uses two expert models. The high-noise expert shapes motion in the early steps. The low-noise expert adds detail at the end. The result is smoother, more stable video, and it runs natively inside ComfyUI.
First, pick your path. The 5 billion parameter hybrid model runs on 8 GB of VRAM. Want more detail? Use the 14 billion pair with GGUF quantization for 12 GB or full precision for 16 GB and up.
At 16 GB of RAM, 40 GB of free disk, and the latest ComfyUI.
Start by updating ComfyUI. Open the manager and click Update, then restart. The Wan 2.2 templates need the latest version, so this step matters.
Load the template from the workflow menu. Choose Browse Templates, search for Wan, and open the Wan 2.2 text-to-video workflow. ComfyUI loads the whole pipeline for you. If models are missing, it will tell you right here.
Next, download the models from the official Hugging Face repository. The 5 billion model goes into diffusion models. The text encoder goes into text encoders. And the VAE goes into the VAE folder. 3 files, 3 folders. That's it.
Here is the anatomy of the workflow. 2 diffusion models, one for high noise, one for low noise. A text encoder and a VAE. Prompts, video size, and 2 samplers. Then decode and combine into an MP4. Remember, total steps must be an even number.
Time for your first video. Write a long, detailed prompt. A golden retriever in a yellow raincoat walking through a rainy city street at dusk. Then press Q prompt or Control Enter. Watch the preview and your first clip plays. It works!
Five dials control every clip. Length, 81 frames, about 5 seconds, at 16 frames per second. Resolution, start at 480p. Steps, 30, and keep them even. CFG at 5, and fix the seed to reproduce the same result.
Now image to video. The 5 billion hybrid does both jobs. Press Ctrl B to toggle the image node and upload a photo. Then describe the motion, not the subject. The cat slowly turns its head. Cue it and your photo comes alive.
Four levers make it faster and better. The Light X2V LoRa cuts 30 steps down to 4, about 3 times faster. GGUF models run on smaller cards. Rife interpolation doubles the frame rate. And upscaling sharpens the final clip. If something breaks, here are the fixes. Out of memory? Lower the resolution, drop the frames, or switch to the 5 billion model. Red nodes? Check the model folders. Black video? Use the right VAE. No template. Update ComfyUI.
That's the whole loop. Update ComfyUI, load the template, add the models, and generate. It's free, open source, and runs on your PC. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy generating!